Okay, Lee White's cover right there is going to try to make it through the lid of that can right there. The big one. Nope. Did he do it? I believe not.
Fuck my life! Hit it though, right there.
You know.
Okay, try it again. This one's only for $1.
Next time you miss, you pay me money. Nope.
I think I got it.
Okay, he's gonna try to make it through the lid. Let's go check. Hey! Go for it.
Holy shit, I got it.
Hey, Chopper.
Fuck, that's a crane.
Yeah, that's one of the All-Stars are badass.
Dude, that's a clean hit.
Look at that. Who the hell is badass? I believe I am. I shot the cap right off of it.
That is so badass.
There's a badass helicopter right there.
The crane.